Hi guys, welcome back to today's stock deep dive. And today I'm going to talk about one stock, and it's an airline stock, right? And it has outperformed in recent months among its peers, right? Okay, and the way I see it, it is going to perform even better this coming few months or even this year, right? Okay, and definitely you want to take a look at this stock, right? Okay, and what is that stock? Later on you will know, right? But very quickly, let's jump right in. Just a quick introduction about myself. I'm a full-time trader for more than 10 over years, and I have more than 20 over years, almost in fact 29 years of experience trading the markets. One more year is anniversary of 30 years, right? Okay, and I have worked with over 20,000 traders all over the world, and I'm the founder of winningtrader.com, and I'm also the author of Trading Secrets book, right? Okay, which you can see on your screen. Now you can get a free copy of this book. This book contains insights about throughout my 20 over years of trading the markets, right? Even updated insights about how I look at the markets and the strategies that I use to create a consistent source of income, a second source of income for myself, right? Okay, a full-time source of income for myself. And you can read all about it in a free copy of my book, right, which you can get in one of my training here on your screen. Just click on it, register, attend it, and we will send the book to you through email, right? Okay. And recently we updated it with the latest insights as well, right? Okay, you don't want to miss that. Now let's jump back right into what is the airline. Is Southwest Airline, right? Southwest Airline is a major US low-cost carrier known for its friendly, reliable, affordable air travel, right? Okay. And it has been profitable for many years consecutively, right? Okay. Now, what is the Southwest airline business model, right? It runs a low-cost airline. It focuses on point-to-point routes, and it stands out with friendly services and perks like free check bags for most flyers, right? Okay. And efficiency is key for them, right? With fast plane turnaround to save time and money. They avoid fancy meals or classes, keeping things simple and fun, right? Okay. So why would the symbol of Southwest Airline is LUV, right? In short, love, right? Okay. Why love may soar higher in 2026, right? It recently formed a strategic partnership with Iceland Air, right? And it introduced assigned seating, giving customers greater control over travel experience, right? Now, all these are some good news for the company, but fundamentally, there are always a bull case and a bear case, right? So let's take a look, right? For the bull case, earnings is set to grow big in this year, right? With 1 billion more in pre-tax profits, right? Which is a huge amount, $1 billion, right? New seating options will likely add more revenue, right? Stocks is up 24% in 2025, leading US airlines, right? Okay, leading its peers, thanks to solid demand for flights, right? And a lot of analysts actually published reports saying that they target the airline price to be $56. So current price of roughly $42, it has a lot of room to grow, right? And also assigned seating rollout in January, right? Is forecasted, right? Such a service, right, is going to boost income and revenue, right, without losing much edge, right? Okay, and this definitely will draw in more income and revenue. Partnership with other airlines like Iceland Air, right, expand their reach to new markets as well. And new markets do bring in new revenue as well, right? New income for them. These are all the fundamentally good news, good fundamentals basis for it to go much higher. But of course, there are fundamentals that is going against it, right? Like example, Boeing plane delay their delivery, right? Slow down their fleet growth, right? Okay, and also rising fuel and labor costs, right? Not so much on rising fuel. We know fuel costs is going down recently, but it might go out and it might eat into their margins, right? Okay, but labor cost is always there, right? Labor cost is always there, and it does eat into their margins as well. And competition for bigger airlines like Delta Air squeezes their market share, right? Okay, and new changes might upset their loyal fans, right? Okay, and also government rules or tariffs raise operating expenses, right? Okay, past events like shutdowns does ended up they lose a little bit of money, right? Towards the late last quarter of 2025, right? Okay, and early 2025 downtrend show weakness before its rebound, right? So if travel slows, shares could fall back as well, right? Okay, but since last year 2025, the stock has already consolidated and started moving sideways and a little bit up, right? Why I say this is because since 2025, right, if you have traded it using a profit signal, which you can see over here with a green triangle, it signals us a buy, right, way back in June, right? Okay, using the daily time frame, right? Okay, I'm going to share more about the technical analysis, how I see the stock is going to move in terms of price point as well. What are the good price point to accumulate as well, right? So make sure you stay tuned. But over here, I just want to say, like, if you want a simple, easy way to look at the markets, know exactly what are the price to buy, when to buy, at what time to buy, then do sign up for our free workshop, right? At least the link is on your screen. Because in this free workshop, I'll show you how you could use this to time your entry, to time your buying price to the exact dollar and cents, right? Okay, to the exact timing as well, right? Okay. So you can see over here, this is a good 16 days, 18% profit. Of course, this is long past already, right? It was last year, right? But I'm going to be showing you the live updated charts, right? Later on, right? Okay. So, but very importantly here is that I'm going to use my trade to win a strategy, a proprietary strategy that you cannot find anywhere else, right? But you can actually learn about this strategy and use it for your own in our free workshop, right? Okay, the link is right there. Register, attend it, and I will share with you how you could actually use this strategy to improve your accuracy, to get more profits from the markets, to time the market, and also to find stocks that are ready to move a big way, right? Okay, so but without further ado, let's just jump into the love chart, right? Okay, the love chart. So over here, based on the money time frame, you can see that it has already started moving up much higher, right? Since last year of a little bit of sideways consolidation, right? Okay, but over here, as you can see on the weekly time frame, right? It has turned uptrend as of January 2025, right? As of January 2025. So you can see over here, even though after it turned uptrend as of January 2025, it was pretty much a little bit sideways, up down, right? Okay, in a quite a range bound kind of thing, but eventually going much higher high as well, right? And as we end the year, it actually went up past $40, right? From a low of roughly below $25 last year, and end the year roughly above $40 last year, right? Okay, so but of course, you might be asking, what is the price point to go in if I were to find stocks similar to this other than Love, right? Okay, using a profit signal, you can see over here, if I were to activate it, right, you can see while Love is going down, having a correction phase, right? Every stock have a correction phase and a bull run phase, right? Okay, so over here, these are periods that you do want to buy. In fact, you know how to short the market and make profits. These are very good actual sell points for you to based on the red triangle, right? Okay, based on the red triangle, those are the actual sell points and in terms of exact timing and price level to actually get a very good profit from shorting the market down. So as it turns uptrend, we can see that the buy signals represented by the green triangle, are already showing that it is going to go much higher. So a very good point of entry is actually late April last year, which you could have easily got in around $26, $27 and make a very good profit of very close to double your money, right? Okay. Of course, it's not double your money. I would say easily 50% of your profits can be gotten within a few months or even less than a year, right? Okay. Then there is another trigger to buy on the 25th of August week, right? Okay. That week itself, after it trigger, it still went pretty much sideways for a couple of months before it really shoot up, right? Okay. So it pays to look at the profit signal and see that, okay, it's ready to go up. It might go up soon, right? Okay, so this is what happened, right? It did go up much higher. But what is my take from here? After this run up, right, there could be a correction, right? There could be a correction of course, I still look at this stock as it is going to go past $45, $50 or higher, right? $45 or $50 or higher, but not after a strong surge like this. Normally, every stock that have a strong surge like this do take a breather, right? Okay, to me, right? Okay, but it might not happen, right? It might not happen because the way I see it, the charts has already shown that it is starting to move much higher, right? Okay, and because of that, right, I want to wait for a breather, right? A slightly longer term kind of horizon, right? Okay. Now, like I say again, that's all I have to say about love, right? I have went into it since last year, and I'm still holding it, and I'm looking at price point that I mentioned just now to start taking profits. And if it does dip to the price point that I say to accumulate, I might even add in more to my portfolio, right? Okay. Now, if you want more stock speaks, do join our Telegram channel for daily market updates, right? Okay. So basically, if you like a good summarized kind of market updates, right, based on the day before, and you don't want to go through so many news channels, news websites to find out what happened financially in the markets, then do join our Telegram. Why? Because inside this Telegram, we will summarize everything, the more important ones, and share it with you, right? Okay. And also join our mailing list to get daily action steps, right? Okay. We do suggest a few daily action steps based on how the market move, and help you to find ideas, right, to actually have a better idea of how to approach the market on the day-by-day basis, right? And most importantly, our statistics shows that more than 50% of you do not sign up, do not subscribe to our video or even like our video. So do subscribe to our video and like our video because it's totally free, right? Yeah, based on what I've shared with you, right? The small little thing that you can share back and spread the love is to click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. These will really help us to reach more people, to help them make profits from the stocks that we suggest to you and them as well, right? Okay, so please do that. And of course, if you like the channel, do share the channel with your friends and family members and your loved ones as well, right? Okay, our aim here is to help you to make more profits through our channel, right? And that's all from me. It's a brand new year. I'm wishing you a great year ahead. May the profits be with you, and trade with passion. See you soon.
I hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.